Have you ever wished your daily work could be done faster and smarter? In today's video, I'll show you 5 AI tools that are transforming how we work in 2025. Tools that can save you hours and simplify your routine. Stay with me, because these tools are not just popular, they're practical, easy to use, and designed to help you get more done with less effort. Let's start with Copy.ai, an AI-powered writing assistant that takes your ideas and turns them into clear, engaging content. Whether you're writing emails, social media posts, or product descriptions, Copy.ai offers ready-made templates and smart suggestions to speed up your writing process. It uses AI to generate multiple versions so you can pick the one that fits your style best. This tool is perfect for marketers, bloggers, and business owners who want to save time while still producing high-quality content. With Copy.ai, you can say goodbye to writer's block and hello to creativity on demand. Next up is Midjourney, a cutting-edge AI tool that turns text prompts into stunning images. If you need custom visuals for presentations, social media, or personal projects, Midjourney lets you create unique art with just a few words. The AI understands styles, colors, and details, giving you professional-looking images without needing design skills. It's like having a graphic designer at your fingertips, saving you time and money. If you're finding this helpful, make sure you subscribe to AImagix, where we bring you weekly videos reviewing the most useful and popular AI tools that can save you time and boost your productivity. Now, let's talk about Adobe Podcast Enhance, a powerful tool for anyone creating audio content. This AI tool automatically cleans up your podcast recordings, removing background noise, echoes, and distracting sounds to give you clear, professional audio. You don't need to be a sound engineer to make your podcasts sound great. Feeling overwhelmed by endless tasks? Imagine having a suite of powerful AI assistants ready to boost your productivity and creativity, all without cost. Adobe Podcast Enhance does the hard work for you in just a few clicks. If you create videos, tutorials, or podcasts, this tool is a game changer that helps you sound your best every time. Next, there's Notion, an all-in-one workspace that combines notes, tasks, databases, and collaboration tools. What makes Notion special is its flexibility. You can customize it to organize projects, plan your day, or manage a whole team's workflow. It also integrates with many other apps, making it a hub for your digital life. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or manager, Notion can help you stay focused and productive by keeping everything in one place. Finally, we have Cleanup.Pictures, a simple yet powerful AI tool to remove unwanted objects from your photos. If you've ever taken a great photo but noticed distracting elements, Cleanup.Pictures lets you erase them easily with AI. Just upload your image, highlight what you want gone, and the AI fills in the background naturally. It's perfect for quick edits, improving images for social media, or cleaning up your professional photos without complicated software. If you liked these tool reviews from AImagix and they're adding something valuable to your life, I've added a link in the I button for another video. If you want to explore more such tools or learn how they can simplify your daily routine, that next video will benefit you a lot. Thanks to AImagix.